Woo! Fifth grade, are you ready for a great week? I'm ready for a great week. This week, you are making your own science experiment. So you can be as creative as you want, or if you're like, Miss Bush, I just want something simple, I've got you. You've got options and options, simple or complicated. And I am looking at this, friends. Check it out. For this week, we have 5 assignments or 5 pieces of work, but some are easier, some are harder. So don't you worry. If you get all 5 things turned in, I will be getting in a little envelope, putting something in, sticking a stamp on, and I will be sending something to you in the mail. Oh, that's right. I have some prizes and some super scientist cards to send to you. My super scientist, if you get everything turned in. So let's check it out. Right now, you're in the overview. That's where you started. And Google Meet, same as always. They're at 10:30. The code is HMSCI, and Wednesday is Miss Pickards. Thursday is Miss Traxler. So same as always there. Monday or 5.1, that's our Ignite. This is all about ideas for your experiment. Monday starts out with a discussion board. I need you to think of at least 3 ideas. And Miss Bush posts video directions. Start there. I know a lot of kids are skipping these video directions. Nope, you gotta go through them. I know sometimes it's hard to sit through the videos. I try to make them fun. You need to watch the videos. Watch video 1. If you need a review of variables, I have a variable review right here. That's the big science idea we're learning is variables. Here we go. If you need to use or want to use Gizmos, that website where you do science experiments on the website, these are the steps of how to get onto Gizmos. If you don't want to use Gizmos, you don't need those videos. If you get lost later this week, those videos are on day 1. Day 1 is about 3 ideas. Day 2, you are going to start your experiment. And I'm actually going to open up day 1 and day 2 right away to start the week. Day 2 is about making a plan. I will show an example of my plan with habanero. Day 3, Wednesday, is a discussion board called Help! I'm posting on day 3 an update from my experiment. You can see Miss Bush needs help. I got lots of helpers. So helpful. And your job is to post like, actually I haven't started yet, or I have everything done. I'm ready, Miss Bush. Just post an update on Wednesday. So the real thing is, Tuesday and Thursday are the days where you have real work. Monday's a discussion board. It's just a check-in, a way to connect, and a way to brainstorm ideas. You still need to do it. Wednesday is a check-in. That's not something that takes you a long time to do. Thursday is the big assignment. This is where you turn in the project. And Friday, or 5.5, that's where you share your final work on a discussion board for other kids to see. And that's really sad sometimes in distance learning. We don't get to see other kids. So there is a video of my final project, and you will be either making a video or a summary or sharing the same thing you shared on Thursday, but sharing it with the kids so we can see each other's work. Sometimes instead of turning in the whole project, you might want to show other kids a cool picture from your project. This is your place to share. This is our week. I think it'll be a great week. Reminder, I still can't believe my niece did this. She was like, well, I didn't know that I could look at the weekly overview more than once. I thought it was just something I glanced at. It's called a week at a glance. Teachers give you these checklists for a reason. This is your weekly checklist right here. Discussion board on Monday. Worksheet on Tuesday where you write a plan. Discussion board on Wednesday. Your assignment on Thursday. And then Friday is that discussion board. So you have 3 discussion boards, 2 worksheets. You've got this. Look at this week at a glance thing. This checklist says everything. I have office hours, friends. Come to office hours. I will help you with your whole assignment in office hours. So really, come on by. It's daily at 1:30. The code is HMSCI, and I'm just hanging out in a Google Meet. I have a lot of kids who visit. I'd like to see you visit too. Have a great week. Enjoy your science projects. I'm excited to see what you make and build and what experiment you test.